Oh, nice, dude.
Yeah. Oh.
She's hot.
Yeah, she is. Look at this. Right here. Yeah.
Okay, so I will ask you some simple questions about the paper, and all you have to do is read directly off of the script I provided for you. This will hopefully give the answers that the public can understand. Think you two can handle this?
Yeah, man, like, no problem. We're in 7th year college. I think we can read off a script.
Great. What time did Snowball Earth occur?
Snowball Earth occurred once over the Earth's history, over the course of 4.5 billion years. Damn, that's a long time. Holy crap, dude. Anyway, the most recent one occurred around 650 million years ago at the end of an era called the Neo-Proterozoic.
What evidence is there that suggests a Snowball Earth occurred? Okay. There are multiple forms of evidence suggesting a Snowball Earth. One piece of evidence is the occurrence of dropstones near areas where the equator would have been located during the Snowball Earth's occurrence. Another form of evidence is the carbon layer that is on top of the glacial deposits. These platforms first have a low concentration in carbon-13 values, which indicates that there was a lack of photosynthesis, as life preferentially uses carbon-12, which would preferentially increase carbon-13 values. The most probable cause for the creation of this layer was when the ice melted and combined with the high excess of carbon dioxide in the air to form carbonic acid, which then fell as acid rain to dissolve carbonate rocks, which then went to the ocean to form distinct layers of carbonate sedimentary rock. So wait, like carbon-12 and carbon-13? What is that? Like carbon that has numbers? No, it's just two different forms of carbon and each weight slightly different, with 13 being heavier. So, how long did the proposed hypothesis last for?
The exact length of the ice age isn't known, but it is estimated to be between 4 and 30 million years long. We know this because there was a large spike in temperature and biological activity directly after Snowball Earth. During the Cambrian explosion, so things warmed up significantly and life was able to thrive. We can see the new life's existence as fossils in the rock record. Okay, so is the Cambrian explosion where the Earth was like exploding or something? Like, what is it, man?
Not quite. So obviously the Earth is no longer covered in snow and ice. So, what caused Snowball Earth to end? It is proposed that volcanoes on the Earth's surface started to erupt and give out huge amounts of carbon dioxide, which is estimated to be about 350 times the carbon dioxide we have in the atmosphere today. The increase in CO2... What's CO2?
It's carbon dioxide, dude.
Cool. As the increase in carbon dioxide caused a rapid increase in temperature and the ice started to melt. As the ice initially melted, more water was on the Earth's surface and was able to soak up more of the sun's solar energy, creating a positive feedback that further melted the ice. How do you know that this is the reason for the glaciation to end?
Because the end of Snowball Earth was so abrupt, a short event like volcanism would fit the sharp change in the system. If it were a gradual change over tens of millions of years, other explanations may be a better fit. We also see a sharp change in rock chemistry in the carbonate rocks that have negative carbon-13 value that were deposited after the Snowball Earth period. This means there was life on Earth that preferred to use up all the lighter carbon-12.
Wait. More life means that the rocks will have more of a negative carbon-13 ratio?
Yeah. No. Yeah?
What is the significance of this event, and how does it apply today? The events hypothesized for Snowball Earth is evidence that suggests how fragile our Earth system comes when it comes to climate change. It shows how climate change today could could cause major changes in the environment with minimal changes to Earth's current conditions.
Bro, I totally get it. So it goes like this. The Earth started to get cold. So ice started to go from the top to the bottom of the world and go toward the middle warm parts. More ice means that the sun's heat is bounced off the Earth, making it even more icy. You follow me?
Dude, got you, fam. And we know that the Earth was pretty much like a snowball because there was a period where like there was no life activity, and there were like glacial drop stones where the sunny parts of the Earth like used to be, right?
Yeah. And then it totally got tropical again. Again, from the volcanoes exploding and stuff, throwing carbon dioxide into the air, which makes it hot again.
Or this is geology. We don't actually know anything for sure.